ki tokri?
Chaat ki tokri.
Alright, to make chaat ki tokri, we're gonna make tokri first. So we're gonna make tokri first. But to make tokri, I got 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup whole wheat flour, and 2 tablespoons semolina rice. So I'm gonna mix it all together. So I'm gonna use 2 pinch of salt, 2 pinch of baking powder, and 2 tablespoon oil, and 2 tablespoon milk. Mix it well. Just gonna use my hand, it's easier. So mix it well. So I'm gonna use this warm water, a little bit at a time. You want to keep a little bit firm. You don't want to have it too loose. That way the tokris will be crispy. So I'm gonna add a little bit water at a time. It's done. I'm gonna just brush it a little bit of oil and keep it for half an hour. Let the dough settle. Then we're gonna make the tokris. So there you go. Out of this, I'm making about 9 of them. So I rolled it. You just roll like that. Make a balls and I have this size bowls. I got another little bit bigger one also, and Arya wants a small one. So we got 2-3 different sizes. You can make any size you want. That's the bowl size. If you don't have the steel bowls, you can buy a muffin tray, big muffin tray. Just put in the back there, and the bowls are already on muffin trays. You can use that. So there you go, it's all rolled. I'm gonna just take a fork and press it from the edge.
To make a bit of design.
Make a design and cooks thoroughly. When you press it down, it cooks thoroughly.
Yeah.
And we have an oven getting ready at 350. We're gonna bake them about 15-20 minutes. There you go. Make little designs like this. Make little holes, so they will cook. And just try to put this in the middle and go like this. And just put it like that. That will be our tokri.
Yeah.
There you go. Tokri. And we have this ready also. These are a little bigger. I made a little different design, this one. And this one different. So you can make any design you want. I made them a little bigger, this one. Alright, so the oven is getting ready. So there you go. I'm gonna put in the oven at 350. We have 3 different sizes. The girls wanted different sizes. And just put that in there and cook it about 15-20 minutes. There you go. So there you go. That's how our katoris look like. So one thing I forgot to mention, when you're rolling and putting on the bowl, just make sure you brush the bowl with the oil, okay? So that way they come out easily. I cooked about 25 minutes, depending on your oven. So here I have 2 cups of chickpeas. I soak them in overnight and cook them. So that's what I'm gonna, you can use canned if you like. So I'm gonna put like 2, 3, 4 spoons.
Yeah.
Making for the girls to eat now. They can't wait. Arya can't wait.
Yeah, it looks
And
very yummy.
potato, some potato.
So it's hot
And
potato.
yeah, boiled potato. Chop them in small pieces. Like cucumber. You can use any other thing like radish or something you want. You can use that. And onion. Yes, chopped onion, small, very small pieces.
Yes.
And I have green chutney. I can use this. Not gonna use too much. These girls won't like too much.
1 spoon.
Yeah. And IMLI chutney. I'm gonna add that in here too. 1 teaspoon. And coriander chopped. Put that in here. And green chilies. Not too much, right? You don't want too much.
Not too much.
And I'm gonna add is salt as per your taste, and a little bit of red chili. I'm gonna put too much; it's very spicy.
A bit.
And chaat masala, 1 teaspoon chaat masala. I'm gonna put that in here. And lemon juice, 1 teaspoon. And I'm gonna mix it together.
Mix it well.
Mix it well, yes. Mix it very well. So you want to taste all the things in there, right? We're gonna put that in here. Fill it up.
Smells good.
It smells good and tastes good too. There you go. Now, I'm gonna put yogurt. You mix it well, plain yogurt. Put 1 tablespoon here, just like that. Here. And you can put pomegranate down there.
A bit of pomegranate on top of
Yeah, I put a lot of it. You like that, right?
Yeah.
You love that. So I'm gonna put lots of it for you. There you go. And they look good.
It looks delicious.
Yeah, and they taste good too. So there you go. And I'm gonna put a little coriander on the top.
Yes.
And you can put more chutney if you like on the top. But I'm pretty sure you're good at it. There you go. Our Tokri chaat is ready. Alright, let's taste it.
Let's see how it tastes.
You gotta tell me.
Mm.
Oh my god, it's so tasty.
If you like our video, please like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Wait for next recipe.